guys, today I'm going to show you how broken the dog residue is in Undertale. Give me a second. Anyway, yeah. So, I got one dog residue. You see here, just plain old dog residue. When you use it, use the dog residue. The rest of your inventory filled up with dog residue. And then you can sell 7 of them to Temmie. And if you get this message, you're lucky. Because first, you can say no. And then she'll offer you more gold. Make sure to only sell 7 of one. Make sure to only sell 7 or else you're going to end up with no dog residue. Also, you're probably wondering how I got this border. Well, if you get the dog residue, you can actually get this border. Anyway, I'm going to use it one more time. Sorry for the shaky camera. I'm lucky! And if it costs more money, you're even more lucky. Also, there's a random chance you can get a dog salad. Okay, have a nice day, or night, or afternoon, or evening.